top is so cute. Eats down. So what do you want to tell them?
I made
Go Justice! Woohoo! We all voted for like a vases, and I am in awe right now. We got a new product, y'all. I tried therapy down here about a year ago. There's certain things that are still bothering me in my day-to-day, and I feel like when in doubt, pray it out, because God is always with you when you put him in the
Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
Hair just got washed, conditioned. We got our little eye patches on. These is giving me some technical difficulties. They're not staying. I usually go with the top coats. They stay on all day, where you have to literally pull them off. Getting a little hydrated, we getting cute, because in a couple of hours, maybe we going outside. So right now I'm just gonna blow dry my hair, recreate the bob look when I went and got my hair done in the salon. I'll be using my little brush. I'm gonna be using some Chi Infra treatment. Get to it, there's nothing to it but to do it. I feel like my hair is low-key grown. I feel like it grew, and it's only been like 3 weeks, but I love how my curls are so defined with no product in it. That's the best part when you do like a big chop. Them new curls hit different. We're gonna time it and see how long it takes to blow dry my hair at this length. It's like, I don't even need to detangle my hair. I love that. Love that. Love that for me. Why did my blow dryer just stop? It won't turn back on, y'all. I literally tried to give it a rest. Maybe it got overheated. Tried different sockets. Literally just conked out. Damn things gotta go. They keep freaking falling down. You're just trying to stop me from having fun. Now what am I gonna do? Girl had to pull out the timeout. Nothing is stopping the show tonight. Now I'm gonna flat iron. You know what it's giving? It's giving pretty woman. Walking down the street, pretty woman. Now to wrap it. The bob is back in. This is how I like it. I like it to be like floaty. Let's see if it can stay. Let me hurry up and get dressed. So now that I'm already in dress, I can tell you where I'm going. Girl is going to her first concert. I'm going to go see Mary J. Blige, Neo, and Mario. So freaking excited. Never been to a concert, so this is literally gonna be my first time going. I'm going with a friend of mine, praying that it won't be too much for me, because I do have really freaking bad anxiety. YOLO. 2025 is YOLO. You only live once, and I'm not gonna worry about being scared. Fear of what? I just wanna make sure that I switch out my bags and make sure that I have ID, my lip gloss, my camera, of course, and make sure my phone is charged. Isn't this such a cute freaking top? The top is so cute. It eats down. I paid $3.99 for this on Shein, and then I paired it with these cute cargos. So I'm gonna show y'all. There was some cargos, and then we got the Ricks on the feet. Freaking excited, but yet nervous, because I've never been to a concert. I'm like so late, but you know what I mean? Better late than never. And I feel like everybody has their own journey, their own time, their own walk. So all those other times it wasn't meant for me to go. And when you get an opportunity presented and somebody wants to do something nice for you, baby, you better hop on it. much to say. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I'm surprised I still have a voice, y'all. The concert was freaking phenomenal. 10 out of 10 recommend. I don't know what took me so long to freaking like go, but I'm not gonna question it. A little rocky start when I first went there with my friend because, like I said, I had a little bit of jitters and I was nervous about, you know, going to a big place, a lot of people. My anxiety just was there before it even needed to be there. So when we got seated, my friend didn't realize that he had picked tickets that were really up in the like higher section. Baby, when I say incline, it was giving roller coaster. So when I seen it, it just immediately, I was like, no, I can't do it. My first time, I felt like that was a bit drastic. So we were trying to figure out ways of how to like change the seating and whatever. It didn't work. The people were like, we can't accommodate you. Like, these are your seats. Take it or leave it. So I'm getting bummed because I'm like, I know I can't make it. Like, I'm not going to be able to feel comfortable or even have a good time because of how high the seats were up. I've never been to a stadium or a big, like, you know, Coliseum. There's a lot of seats, a lot of people. Long story short, my friend was like, don't worry about it. We can just leave or whatever. We'll do something else. I'm like, absolutely not. Like, you bought these tickets. I want to experience this. Let me just take a second to like collect myself. So I started praying. My friend was like, how about this? We just go in, we sit somewhere a little closer. Push come to shove. If somebody comes to clean the seats, we just get up. But at least we'll see some of the show. I'm like, cool, that sounds great. So we go in, it's still up high, but I found a spot that was a little more to my liking where I felt like I could cope if need be. Maybe about a good 20 minutes went by. I'm looking, I kept seeing people like coming and stuff. I'm like, please don't let this be their seat because I'm gonna be embarrassed if I have to get up. 30 minutes went by, we saw Mario. Another 20 minutes went by, Neo came out. Nobody came to get those seats. When in doubt, prayed out because God is always with you. When you put him in the forefront of your life, he's gonna always make a way. So that was just a great testimony for me because I was able to enjoy the show. And my friend was so nice. He got me one of her sweatshirts. They was charging $70 for these sweatshirts. My hair, y'all, it sweated out so freaking bad. I don't want to put any more heat on this. So I don't know what we're doing today. I'm probably just gonna put it in a coil clip. I was sweating. I'm surprised I still have a freaking voice, y'all. I was showing out. The section where I was sitting, we was all turning it up together. It was such a vibe.
And then our golden word award students that worked really hard this quarter, Evelyn Duncan and Justin Morello.
Go Justice! Good job, son.
Go ahead, Pop.
Good job, son. I love you, son. Good job, Sonny Bunny. I just left my little baby school. He got a little award for best improvement. I was so proud. It's crazy because me and his father was the only ones that was really like rooting for our kids. Let me know if it's a Southern thing, but I'm always gonna make sure my kids feel seen no matter what. I'm always that extra mother. Juju was so happy to see us. He called himself trying to cry when it was time for us to leave because he wanted to leave. I'm like, Juju, you just got here. Come on. Sitting in the car because I have a telehealth video session. I've been on a search to find me another therapist. I tried therapy down here about a year ago and I really liked the lady. It was another video thing, but she kept canceling and stuff and I just got fed up. So I feel like there's certain things that are still bothering me in my day-to-day and I feel like I'm in control of my life. I know who the healer is, but it feels good to have a live person that I can have dialogue with and just get out those unwanted thoughts and feelings throughout the day. Found somebody, hopefully she's a good fit for me. Again, I'm not really a big fan of like video therapy. I want the person to feel my energy and I don't feel like they can get like the best of me through a camera, but I'm not gonna turn it down because again, I'm doing everything I need to do to be the best version of myself. Fingers crossed that she's a good fit, and if she's not, the best part about it is that we can keep on searching. So I'm gonna touch back in with you guys. It's gonna be like an hour session or whatever, and I'll let you guys know, you know, what I think of her. So what do you want to tell them?
I made the dance team.
Made the what?
The dance team.
The what?
The dance team.
I feel like I was more anxious than she was because I have a passion for dance. It's just in my blood. So to see my babies, you know, doing things that I did and wanted to do, it just makes me feel so good. She made the team, y'all, and it wasn't easy because not everybody made the team. So she showed up and she showed out. Did you find out in the morning or in the afternoon?
In the morning, they put numbers on a paper.
Say good job, Mia.
Good job. Give me a high five.
Hey, what did I tell you? If you didn't make the team, tell you about yourself.
I'm a superstar.
Period.
Hey guys, so another day, we're getting another dog. Well,
Woohoo! Are you guys going to take care of the dog?
yeah.
Right now we're headed to go see another litter and just decide if like this is the fit for us. We're basically just like dog shopping right now.
Yeah, we're just viewing the dogs. See how we get along
So
with it.
yeah, Juju and I went to go to the other place. I just feel like it's not the best place to get an animal. We also were thinking about going and adopting at like the animal shelters. I just feel like that may be just too like stressful for us.
Yeah, because sometimes the dogs have been abused, and it'll be hard for them to adapt to us.
Right. They may have like health issues that we
Yeah.
don't know about, that they don't tell us. And to be honest, we're just looking for another addition to bring us more joy than we already have in our house. And I feel like a pet is gonna really make us feel like whole.
Yeah, put together as a family.
Yeah. And this year is just like, we promised, we made a vow to ourselves that we wouldn't give up on this dog, no matter how difficult it is. What was like the most challenging part for you with the dog?
Potty training.
What about for you, Mia?
Potty training too.
That you didn't like about the dog that we had?
He bit me.
He was biting
Yeah,
you.
he was rude.
He was rude, and I think it's all about the dog's temperament. That's why it's really good to be able to go and visit, to feel the connection with a dog, because you can just see a dog and look at how cute it is, and then the temperament is crazy. It's very rambunctious. It doesn't listen. Going to this breeder, they're family owned. They've been doing it for a while, so they invited us to come visit, and if we like it, then we can choose which puppy. So stay tuned. It's about a 36-minute ride, and we'll see you guys when we get there. I just love how they're laying on each other. Look at that. I'm in at home because I haven't really completed the living room yet. I still have yet to get stuff for the walls, but I'm in this aisle with these beautiful freaking vases, and I'm in awe right now. These are so nice. I love these. This is nice. Yeah, I know me and plants haven't been a success, but this year I'm definitely gonna get a plant and it's gonna survive. I love these little sayings. The best thing about these is that you can put these all over your house. There's no specific place of these little signs and little like reminders. Let's look for some wall art. That's really what I'm looking for. Ooh. Hold on. I have a lot of wall space, so I'm gonna need, if I go with any of these, I'm gonna need at least 4. Or I can just do one big one and then put maybe like mirrors around it. I don't know. Like this. Something like these, y'all. Right? I think I should measure first just to get an idea of how long I need the pictures to be. But I really like this. Ooh, these are nice. And they're 140 each. So I'm looking at $280 for 2. I don't know. I'm still gonna shop around. Just want to get a feel because having the pictures up on the wall really brings your living room together. This is gorgeous. If only it was longer. And these are 60. Maybe if I do 4 of those. So what is that, 240? What do you guys think? This is different. Look at this, y'all. Y'all remember this? I had this in my other bathroom. I absolutely love this. And it's only $30. Where would we put this though, guys? Oh my God, maybe I can get 2 of those and put them on the wall. How different this is. Ooh, it's heavy too. I'm trying to see if I should go with a wider look, a wider frame, or should I go with more of a, you know, slender look? Like, not this style, but like, you get what I'm saying, more slender. Let me know which one you like the most. To be completely honest, I feel like I could just get a canvas and make something that looks like this. Really need to get an ottoman, one that's like a chest, because I have so many throw blankets and I have no space for them. But I don't think they have like the long ottomans. Something like this, but long. Love the variety of pillows that they give, but I'm not gonna even grab any pillows until I figure out like the wall art first. Once I get the pictures up on the wall, then we'll be able to come back and then, you know, decorate the couch. I don't want to flood the couch and put too many pillows on it, but I think it always looks nice when you have a little bit of an assortment of, you know, pillows on your couch. All right, y'all, I'm back home. I tried to do something different with my hair. I tried to do like a little half up, half down. What are you thinking? I think it's pretty cute. I gotta get used to it because I'm used to my hair being on my neck, but I did not to get anything when I went to At Home. The only thing I did pick up was this because I was in dire need of. I got a toilet bowl cleaner. This is so cute because it's like a wooden top. Comes with a little black brush. So that's something I needed. I'm glad I was able to get it. This was, I wanted to show you guys the wall so you can see. Some of you guys are new to my channel, but I have like this whole wall so you guys can, you know, kind of understand what it is I'm looking for and like how many different pictures I would possibly need to fill this wall up. I don't know. I was just looking on Amazon right now. I am really liking this 3-piece boho black and white brown abstract. I don't know. I just like a natural nude and black color. I've never been one to really be into all of the colors, like the bright colors. This is different. That's nice. That's nice. But Amazon be capping sometimes. They make it look so, you know, aesthetic. And then when you get it, it's either smaller than what it looks like or the quality just doesn't, it doesn't give. I like this. But I have to measure the wall first. Oh, that's $2.59. But I feel like I can get a better price on Amazon because the prices in At Home they were cool. But if I need more than one, that's where it's going to be expensive. So I feel like I can get a bundle on Amazon. Matter of fact, I might even try freaking Temu. Because Temu be having some good. Oh, this is cute. We got lights on the wall. Ooh. We got a new product, y'all. This is the Miche Tropical Oasis Anti-Humidity Gel. Let's smell her, because I'm really big on like scents. Oh, it looks like it has glitter in it. I do not like that. Let me feel it. Oh, it's thick. I honestly just want to give the wet line a break because I'm just using so much of the Extreme Wet Line Gel. And I don't find that it affects my hair in any way, but I don't know. I follow a few girls, natural curly girlies. They swear by this. So I'm going to try it the next time I wet my hair. She's been holding up. I just been really just to maintain this look or whatever since the concert. All I've really been doing is just putting a little bit of sheen in it. And then like I've been using my oil, the Truly Tresses Hair Growth Oil. If y'all want it, I still got it on deck. Been doing that. And then I'll just put my little satin bonnet on. Pull it back a little bit, and then it's been staying like this. It's actually doing its own thing. It's been like flipping. It's been doing like a little flip up, and I have to curl it or anything. Right now I'm just still like, again, getting used to the length of my hair and just trying to have fun with it because it's been a minute. So I have to remember like all the cute styles for like the short hair. It's cute. It's cute. We ain't doing much. It's raining today, y'all. It's so disgusting outside. It has been raining all day. It's gonna rain for the rest of the week. So catch me if you can because I'm gonna be inside. I do not like to be outside at all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in another upload.
Simply Michelle.